Alright, welcome back, guys. So, this is the demo. Alright, so this is demo. This is Tempo Tapper. It basically controls how slow your beat is going on here. These four things in the corner right here would be the beats. So here's what the beats look like now. This is pattern 1 up here, pattern 2, pattern 4. Now the reason why I say it's pattern 4 is because up here I have pattern 1, then pattern 2, then pattern 4. This one is the demo tempo tapper, which is that. Now in order for you to access this tempo tapper, you're gonna go up here and you're gonna tap on this one, the one that looks like a little knocker. This one is how you get to your beats, which is what I'm doing right about now. This one right about here is where you get your piano. So those are the basics of what was I gonna say? The basics of Fruity Loops. Now if you guys are interested in this, comment down below, tell me if you want to hear more beats. Now I'm gonna go to my file up here. This is how you export it if you want to listen to it, if you like the beat you've made. You go up here. Now I don't know why this screen doesn't work. Okay, you go down to export and you tap on MP3 file. Brings you to this. I've already made a couple. Clap piano. Oh yeah. Then you're gonna rename it. I'm gonna name this one Bum 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 Bum. I'm just gonna call this Flow. Flows. Click enter, name it whatever you want. Then it's gonna bring you to this rendering. You gotta, if you want to render it, keep it all at that. Click start. It'll render it. Mine's a 6-second render. Now this is complete. Now I'm going to go to my files. I'm going to my files. I will go to the side. Since I have to search, I will type in flows or flow. My flows shows up here. Now I'm listening to it right here. That is pretty awesome. Then I can type in, now I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna go favorites. I have to find something. Recent, no, public. What's on here? I wonder if it shows on my music. Oh yeah, here's my raps. It's nature rap and to the top. Now you guys cannot copy these names because that's copyright, and I've already made these. They're actual music now, so you can't copy them. Now I'm gonna search up disco. Click enter. I'm just gonna show you one of my disco. Why is it? Oh, it's not appearing for some reason. That is weird. Because I really want to show you guys this. Oh, here we go. Let's listen to this. Yeah. Tell me if you guys like it. Now what I'm gonna search up is Funky Monkey. This is my Funky Monkey piano. I've made this one. I really like this one. I think that one's a really good one. Now if you guys like this, I've basically showed you the setup so far. You're gonna get to a blank page. It's gonna set you off with the pattern 1. You're gonna go up here, tap on this one to get this thing. Now you got your kick, clap, hat, and snare. I've already showed you guys what they sound like. This is what it would sound like. This is what the kick sound. Okay, it doesn't really let me show, but because I've already made this beat and I sort of messed up. So yeah, and then you click this again if you want to get rid of it. This is how you access your piano up here, right? Then you get your piano, then you click it again to get rid of it. Your demo tapper goes how slow it is, tells you how slow it goes. This one goes pretty slow, so I just called this one flow. Hey, that rhymed though, bro. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember, this is Audacity. Nope, not Audacity. This program right here for your computer would be called Fruity Loops Studio 20. Just search up Fruity Loops. Let me see. I'll do that in another video. I'll show you guys how to download it, and I'll catch you in the next one.